What is going on, everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys the top 5 iPhone apps of December 2018. Video Maker is a free app that allows you to edit videos right on your iPhone. It's really awesome and very easy to use. All you have to do is just tap here to go ahead and add your video or record a video with this button right here. Once you have added your video, then you will have the tools right here at the bottom. You can go ahead and crop the video, so you can see, just move your finger just like this to crop the video any way you want. Click done once you're done, and then you have other tools here as well. So you can resize the video, you can rotate it, you can set different speeds of the video, you can slow down the video or speed it up. Also, you can go ahead and trim the video any way you like. Wi-Fi Signal is an app that will give you detailed information about your Wi-Fi. Right here it will show the strength of your connection. Then here you have some information, you have the Wi-Fi name, you have the status, all that stuff. And then on the second tab right here we'll find detailed information about your IP address, all that stuff. And then right here we'll find all the devices that are connected to your Wi-Fi connection. And then right here, if you go to the speed, you can start a speed test right here to test the speed of your Wi-Fi connection. Access is an app that allows you to control your iPhone using your eyes. It's a bit hard doing it here on the video, but it's really awesome. It's not really practical that much, but if you just want to show off, you can do it using this app. So you just move the cursor using your eyes, and you blink once you want to open a page. It's as easy as that. So of course this will work only within this app. So you can use like YouTube, Facebook or Instagram within this app using your eyes. Live Wallpapers is an app that has a bunch of cool live wallpapers. Also, it allows you to create your own, so you can set any of your videos as a live wallpaper on your iPhone. So once you choose one of your videos, you can go ahead and trim it right here. Once it's good to go, you can set the speed of the video and just tap right there and you're good to go. You will create a live wallpaper which will be saved on the camera roll of your device. You can see my live wallpaper right here. So tap there and it will go ahead and save it on the camera roll of your device. And you can set it as a wallpaper for your lock screen. If you go here, you can also go ahead and go to categories and download different live wallpapers that are within this app. So there are a ton of live wallpapers that you can get for free for your device. Color Story. This is a pretty powerful photo editing app. It's really awesome. It allows you to basically scale your pictures, edit them, resize them, rotate them, add different filters and all that cool stuff. So once you have selected your picture or you take a picture using your camera, you have the tools right here to resize it, to rotate it, to crop it, do anything you want with it. It's really easy to use. Click continue right here. It will take you to the next page where you will have your filters, and then you have the effects and all that cool stuff. So you go to one of the filters and you can see here you can apply different filters to your picture. It's pretty awesome. So once we go back here, then we have also different stuff. So let's just go back. We have here different kind of filters. So you see here different groups of filters that you can add to your picture. Then you have here different effects that you can also apply to your picture. So you see here different effects that you can add using this app. It's really awesome. It has a ton of tools to apply to your pictures. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the apps. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and I will see you guys on the next one.